What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Kenny Ellis 1 episode. We are back. Right now, I can't actually pick up.
Bro, I forgot you don't have AC.
My boy Damien. Yeah, I got no AC. That's why I'm sweating hard, bro.
Fuck.
But what's going on, son? But you gonna come with me? We're gonna go put some underglow in the truck. Let's see. Well, right now, obviously it's daylight, so I'm gonna go right now get it installed. Talk to the guy, see what I'm trying to do. Cause right now I'm either trying to put it on the grill or either put that extra light and put it in the back. But I think I want it in the grill. So yeah, and then I'll just show you guys at night como se ve and stuff like that. So let's pull up. Let's see what the guy tells us and stuff like that. So let's go. Alright guys, so yeah, we already pulled up. We're right here and installing them right now. What I got going on right now is that I'm gonna install one on the grill. We're gonna light up the grill, and then that one's gonna go to the one at the bottom, and then two on the side. We're gonna go ahead and do that. Right now, you go ahead and install it. Shout out to my boy Ruben right there. It's kind of loud as fuck. That's why maybe y'all can't hear me. Nah, bro, we should go to Dunkin'. Yeah, let's go to Dunkin'. Me and them are gonna go to Dunkin', so catch you guys at Dunkin' right now. Damn, so we came to Dunkin' and Buddy got a free refresher. ¿Le gustaste la muchacha? Nah. Yeah, but I got a little donut, chocolate donut. My boy wanted a nice coffee, the one that's doing the lights, and then I'll be getting this. Shout out to my boy Jayala. Put me on. Jayala put me on. So, yeah, for sure. Alright, go ahead. How does it taste? Try it out.
$7.5. I'll stick with this one.
I'm fucking dead.
This one's good, bro. A raspberry watermelon lemonade.
I prefer Starbucks, bro. I don't know. It's like hitting, but it's not hitting, you know? It's up there, though.
This guy wants energy for...
I know. It's hot as fuck. That's why I was like, man, I want some Dunkin' or something.
Are we going for real or not?
Where's Kenny G?
We're basically in Cow City with no internet right now.
Some Dunkin'.
We're gonna go or what?
I see like 5 drinks.
Why do we have a lot of drinks? Nah. It was for my boy, and then he got that one for free.
I in the vlog. What's up, vlog?
What up? What up? Say what's up. Oh my god, bro. You're an embarrassment to society.
Hey, we're going or what?
Bro, what time, bro? I don't have pink.
Bro, we don't either, bro.
Right, we just go like that.
Just go however. We're gonna be back like around 5:30.
Tell the vlog where we're going.
So yeah, we're gonna be going to Cal City with one of our boys.
But what's the theme? What's the theme? What's the theme of the party?
So today we gotta wear pink. You already know, with Barbie bash. Saturday afternoon now. Might get lit, don't know. Yeah, guys, we'll see you there.
Ah, hell no. Alright guys, pues ya terminó Ruben. Just putting some stuff back on, but the lights are on. I don't know if you can see right there, and then in the bottom. And I got some in the sides también already. I just can't wait for the night now, right? Nomás para esperar para la noche. Yeah, but look, I can control it with my phone. Try to change it to any color that I want. I'll show you guys at night, and then I'll just go with it, you know. So, got the boy Manuel right here. Check out his truck. I know, turn it on, bro. Turn it on.
That's just quiet as fuck now.
Pa que vean. Holy shit. That is mad. Motherfucker's mad. For real? I like the way it chops so nasty. That's so nasty, bro.
I got a whole collection of mufflers and shit.
Oh, yeah?
I put them on, take them off, get bored of them, and I go 4 straight 5 again. Like a year ago, yeah.
You win.
No, un vato me la vino y me la trajo aquí.
Oh, shit. I thought you went.
No, me la trajo, pues el vato, he like sells and buys cars. And I told him, I was like, hey, I'm looking for a truck. And then, yeah, he went brought this one untuned though. It was already cammed and everything though. Ya nomás se la compré aquí y ya I took it to get tuned around here in Joliet. But así venía la troca ya toda cammed and shit.
I know, bro. I need to put my 6.0 in already. When I hear stuff like this, it's like, damn. Oh, you got racing seats? What the hell? Motherfuckers about to take off. That's a spaceship, bro. Damn, that shit look raw. Oh, shit. ¿Y cómo le hiciste para eso?
The seats?
Yeah.
They're both on, like the regular ones.
Bro, that looks clean.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, I wanted these, but they were like, they crack easily, no sé qué. But I mean, probably if they were big, yeah. But like right now you have a good tire,
The
so.
22s are decent with a nice, like, thick tire, then it should be good with.
And what, it doesn't have a drop or no?
What?
It has a drop?
Yeah, I believe it's like a 2.4. I mean, I bought it like this, but it's just perfect level, so. No creo que se vea ahorita, they're perfect. Look at them on. God damn. Download the app and turn it on. It syncs into everything that's around. That is the same one. That's why good thing mine is not plugged in.
Yeah, see, no, yeah. But it could connect to 3 though?
Wait, what?
It could connect to hasta
connect
3?
to a shit.
All of them? Yeah.
It has like the list. Watch, let me see the app. Right here. See, that's all of them.
Oh, okay.
You know, como that one's broken. Those two are connected. One of them is yours and one of them is his.
Oh.
Ahí te dice en la cajita. It has a little code and it tells you, oh, this one, like, the last number is the one that is yours.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, like, that's what I told him too. I told everybody that.
I mean, but that's only if you're together though, or you're
Yeah.
close to each other, right?
Yeah, but you can always just click on it and then it breaks.
Disconnect.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, pues ya acabó, guys. Aquí está Ruben. Y you want to give him your phone number ahí para que te caigan.
Yeah, the 630-463-8708. Just text me and let me know.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, para que
I'm an
ordene los
answer.
kids, right?
Yeah.
Ordena los kids, and then he'll tell you to slide, y luego ya, you know, get you right. But he can be good though. Yeah, roja, right? Yeah, painted red.
This.
Yeah.
Esta es la punta roja and you scratch this shit black.
Yeah. Or like a
so
Sharpie.
nice.
Hasta.
You just need to get the.
Yeah, it's like hella stuff that you could just paint and like it look nice. Just something you could pop. Yeah. Yeah, that's what he was telling me también, that mejor pintar esos so it could look nice at night.
To see, like, if you paint that shit red, así red, y le pones así like little tiny stickers with letters,
Yeah.
it will look so nice.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Y también quiero pintar like something inside. There's like a lot of stuff I can paint, like spray paint, pues, and it look
Just
nice.
make sure you don't use almohador.
Looking decent, now, bro. Appreciate it, way.
Yeah.
Looking good. Yeah, I mean, we might come work something out again. A ver otras más luces or something like that, you know. También lo que querían, lo que I was telling him, the ones in the brakes, los que van alrededor del brake. You know which ones I'm talking about? Yeah. Yeah.
Just the kit itself is like almost 300.
Oh, I have another truck actually. También le quiero hacer lo mismo, the underglow. So maybe I could bring that one también.
Let me know.
And then también, what about rock lights? You know how to do that?
Which ones?
Nomás las que van arriba de la.
Right here?
Yeah.
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 Those ones.
También they're expensive, right? They're like over 100.
Well, I
Just
got a kit. I give it to my brother.
Oh yeah.
Because I asked people, nobody wanted them, and I'm like, well, they're just gonna sit. My brother's got a nice Denali. It's high, and I told him, I'm like, you want them? He's like, yeah. I'm like, all right. I'm like, but I'll help you put them. And that one is hard porque unos traen metal y otros traen
Yeah, like that plastic, yeah.
Si traen el plástico, it's easy.
Yeah.
If it's the metal, you gotta use a grinder and cut.
Oh, okay.
You know?
The other one is more of an off-road type of truck. That está más,
Yeah,
es una SUV.
easier.
Yeah, es una SUV. So, y luego tiene the big tires, como off-road tires. So mejor quiero rock lights on that one.
Yeah,
You know?
that would look nice.
Yeah. But yeah, bro. Yeah, nomás ahorita I just need a wash and está toda sucia. Pero es que está lloviendo and then, bro, right now we were on the way and nomás era una nube.
know.
It
I
was
was
just
about to tell them, I'm like, damn, bro. I'm like,
Yeah.
it's gonna start raining. I'm like,
now we got here and it's all dry and stuff, and then it's like, bro, over there it was raining like hard, and I'm
I was
like,
gonna
bro.
tell them, hey, tell them to meet you in the gas station. You know, just pretend that you're putting gas and your car broke down and
Yeah.
I'm helping or whatever. But then I came out and then it stopped. I'm like,
Yeah, bro. I was like, then I see sun over here and stuff. Pero lo más se pone húmedo. That's the thing. Appreciate it, bro.
oh, I'm about
Sure.
to go
No,
inside,
pues
bro.
está bien, bro.
I'm gonna go
Appreciate it.
celebrate my birthday.
No, oh, happy birthday, bro. Hey, say happy birthday in the comments pa' aquí, pa'l compa.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem, bro. All right, guys, pues yeah. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go change because we got a party. We're gonna surprise Angel. It's his sister's birthday party, so we're gonna go to his crib and, you know, surprise him and stuff. I'll be able, probably when I get home, show you guys how the lights look, or I'll just wait and like till it's nighttime and I'll show you guys how the lights look, and then so you guys can look how bad it looks. I mean, it looks bad during the day. Like obviously in camera no se ve, pero like it looks. Shout out to Angel because he said that this was a bad idea to put it through my hood. Oh no, put it in my grill and put it in the front because he said it was gonna look stupid. But I'm gonna prove him wrong porque he's never right. He's always just trying to argue with me, and then here's another proof that I'm always right. So y'all quote that. Y'all quote that. And y'all gonna let me know down in the description or down in the comments how bad as fuck it looks because my truck is black. So and I'll catch you guys at night. Peace. All right, guys. So it is nighttime. You guys are been waiting for this, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna get their reaction to it too. So check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Before my phone dies. Spoon. Spoon, boy, I got that underglow. Fuck with her.
Damn. Gee, I thought he was in Tokyo Drift. What in the Fast and the Furious?
Why is it purple though?
I can change it any color I want.
Who did it for you? Easy does it?
Who? Nah.
Who?
My boy in Joliet.
Gee.
I could do anything, look.
Hey, you gonna meet the motherfucker?
Are you gonna drive right there with it on?
I thought it was a mansion nightclub, bro.
But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. You know, it's something small that I did to the truck. I haven't done anything recently like that, so this was the only thing that was like eye-catching type. So. You like the grill thing?
Doesn't look good. That shit looks bright. It's not that bright. It's good.
What I tell ya? He was gonna fold. I told y'all. Y'all heard what he said. He said it looks good. He just didn't want to say it in camera, but when there was no cameras, when the cameras was off, he was like, "Yeah, okay, it looks better." Right? I knew it, and I should have betted on that, but I'm always right, bro. I've been said. Y'all keep watching though.
Hey, that shit's raw though, G.
Yeah.
And where you do that shit through your phone, right?
Yeah.
All right, what you guys think? This is the first time we linked Big Guapo, Kenny LS, but I'll give it to him this. Alright, back to where we're going again. But yeah, you know, I'll probably do the same thing, but I already have that plan to do that already, but he beat me to it. I give it to him. So coming soon.
Show that.
Show that.
Nah, but yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Something small, like I said.
I'll let you know how I think.
It's eye-catching though. It's cool that you can do it with your phone. So turn it off, turn it on. So you already know. So that's gonna be at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you guys think about it, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.